Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, Maureen Official here. Una nga pala, gusto ko sanang pasalamatan yung 24 subscribers ko na naniniwala sa akin at nagiging reason ko kung bakit kailangan ko magpatuloy. Marami akong gustong i-share sa inyo ng mga content, especially about English grammar and other subjects that I will be uploading. I also have a lot of study hacks and tips that I'm going to share with you guys na nakatulong sa akin way back nung nag-aaral pa ako in college and in high school. And aside from that, huwag na rin magpahuli kasi marami din akong content i-upload about skincare routine and review of products. Let me go ahead and share you a little story about me. I'm currently working in a call center, okay, and I'm a licensed professional teacher. I'm really excited every day na umuwi galing sa work at mag-film ng mga exciting videos and contents na tunay na makakatulong sa inyo, most especially sa mga students. So, I'm happy na nandito ka sa channel ko ngayon para sagutin yung tanong na ano nga ba at paano nga ba gamitin ang there, and they are. So, eto na nga, sagutin na natin yan. So, maraming tao ang nagkakamali, no? Kung paano nga ba gamitin yung there, at they are. Commonly mistake or commonly confused words, especially folks that are posting on Facebook, okay, and the usage of those words when writing and speaking. Unahin na natin itong there. Ang there ay opposite ng here o dito. Ibig sabihin yan ay at that place o sa lugar na yon. So, ito siya. Ang there naman ay ibig sabihin yan ay belongs to them. At ang they are naman ay contraction ng they are or they were. So, yun yung mga commonly confused words. So, yun yung differences ng tatlo. Ngayon, they have the different pronunciation and the spelling is definitely not the same. People are actually mixing up all these words together, like the usage. So, kaya nagiging mistake yung paggamit nila sa isang sentence. Kasi, they don't know the meaning. So, it is important for us to know the meaning of there, and they are para hindi na tayo magkamali sa susunod. Okay? Unahin na natin ang there. Ang there ay ginagamit sa iba't ibang paraan. Ito ay isang adverb at exact opposite ng word na dito or here. That means ito ay isang lugar. Tumutukoy ka sa isang lugar or a specific place. Halimbawa, itong sentence na to, he asked me to go there and check on his fish while he's away. So, yung word na there dyan ay tumutukoy sa lugar. Because he asked me to go there and check on his fish while he's away. So, definitely, gagamitin natin ang salitang there kapag gusto natin tukuyin ang isang lugar. Naiintindihan po ba? Wow! Okay. There is also often used as a pronoun. In that case, its role is usually to introduce a word or a clause. Pwede rin siyang gamitin, guys, sa isang pronoun. Often lang siya, guys. Hindi madalas. In that case, guys, ito sa example na sasabihin ko sa inyo, there is something strange going on with Sydney today. So, dito sa part na to or sa sentence na to, nagre-refer ka sa isang tao or what we call pronoun in English. So, nakuha po ba? Again, ang word na there ay para sa lugar. Tumutukol sa at that place. Alright. So, next, second, there. Ano nga ba yan? So, there is a third personal plural possessive pronoun. Natutukoy po ito dahil or ang kahulugan po ng word na there belongs to them or nabibilang sa kanya. Pagmamay-ari niya. Pag sinabi natin possessive, pag-aari niya. Kaya, when we are referring to the word there, that means, let me give you an example. Example is, all of those kids with their contagious laughter really made my day. Ibig sabihin ng word na there belongs to them. What belongs to them? The laughter. Their contagious laughter. Okay? You're not referring to a location. You're not referring to they are na word na contraction. So, dapat alam niyo na kung paano yung paggamit niyan. Okay? Another example. They didn't want me to see all of their hard work go to waste. So, there, ang tumutukoy, ang tinutukoy po ng word na there ay yung hard work. Okay? So, hindi ito isang location. Kagaya ng una kong sinabi sa word na there or location. So, itong there ay tumutukoy sa hard work. Yan. Kasi possessive siya. Number 3 na common confused word or misconception, ang contraction na they are or also pronounced as there. It can be they were. So, there is what you get when you contract or pag pinagsama nyo po ang they are or they were. It's the same kind of the things that happen when you contract where or we are or we were or you are or you were into your. So, pare-parehas lang po siya, no, na pinagko-contract. But again, ang meaning po niya ay iba. Let me give you an example. So, they're going to a party tomorrow. So, the word there is tumutukoy doon sa mga tao na pupunta sa party tomorrow. Another example, you should meet my work friends. They are a real hoot. So, yung they are ay tumutukoy doon sa mga friends. So, ibig sabihin, you're referring to a person. You are referring to someone. But, they are just contracted. Okay? So, mostly, and we don't want to commit mistakes after watching this video at alam na alam ko na matatanduan niyo na
No! God, please, no! No! No!
seriously, what matatandaan niyo na to. Okay, so, nga pala guys, since alam na natin, gusto ko sanang sagutan nyo guys yung worksheet na ililive ko sa description box. Ando na yung link.
Do it! Just do it!
Para makapag-practice na din kayo. Ililive ko din yung link kung saan ko kinuha tong information na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Okay? So, next time, hindi ka na magkakamali kung paano gamitin ang there, and there, or they are. Okay? So, thank you so much everyone who watched this channel or this video. Abangan nyo na bukas guys kung ano naman yung susunod nating pag-aaralan about English 101 or Grammar 101. Tutok lang. See you guys tomorrow in our next class. Stay safe everyone. Maureen Official here. Please don't forget like. And you can go ahead and post your comments and suggestions kung may gusto kayong malaman pa about English grammar. Thank you everyone. Love you all.